Welcome! If you've ever dreamed of working on your own terms, freelancing might be the perfect path for you. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start freelancing as a complete beginner. From understanding what freelancing really means to building your first client relationships, we'll cover it all. Whether you want to earn extra income or build a full-time career, the journey starts here. Let's dive into the world of freelancing and discover how you can turn your skills into a thriving business, even if you have no prior experience. Freelancing means offering your skills or services to clients on a project or contract basis rather than working as a full-time employee. You get to choose your clients, set your rates, and decide when and where you work. This flexibility is one of the main reasons people are drawn to freelancing. However, it also means you're responsible for finding work, managing your time, and handling your own finances. Understanding these basics is crucial before you take your first step. Let's explore what makes freelancing unique and why it's become such a popular career choice in today's digital world. Freelancing offers a range of benefits that attract people from all walks of life. The most obvious advantage is flexibility. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere, whether that's your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. You also have the freedom to choose projects that interest you, allowing for more creativity and satisfaction in your work. Additionally, freelancing can provide opportunities to earn more than a traditional job, especially as you gain experience and build a strong client base. Let's look at how these benefits can make freelancing a rewarding career choice. Freelancing isn't limited to just one industry. In fact, almost any skill can be turned into a freelance service. Some of the most popular fields include writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, consulting, and virtual assistants. There are also opportunities in photography, video editing, translation, and even tutoring. The key is to identify your strengths and see how they fit into the freelance market. By understanding which fields are in demand, you can better position yourself for success as you start your freelancing journey. Before you start freelancing, it's important to take stock of your skills. Think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Are you a talented writer, a creative designer, or a tech-savvy developer? Maybe you have organizational skills that make you a great virtual assistant. Make a list of your abilities and consider how they can solve problems for potential clients. This self-assessment will help you decide which services to offer and how to market yourself effectively. Finding a niche is a powerful way to stand out in the freelance market. A niche is a specific area of expertise or a particular type of client you want to serve. For example, you might specialize in writing blog posts for tech startups or designing logos for small businesses. By narrowing your focus, you can become an expert in your field and attract clients who are looking for exactly what you offer. Take some time to research different niches and think about where your skills and interests align. A productive workspace is essential for any freelancer. Whether you're working from home or a shared office, make sure your environment is comfortable, organized, and free from distractions. Invest in a good chair, a reliable computer, and any tools specific to your field. Having a dedicated workspace helps you stay focused and separates your work life from your personal life. Remember, your workspace doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to support your productivity and creativity. A strong portfolio is your ticket to attracting clients as a freelancer. Even if you're just starting out, you can create sample projects or showcase work you've done for friends, school, or personal use. Your portfolio should highlight your best work and demonstrate your skills clearly. Consider building a simple website or using platforms like Behance or LinkedIn to display your projects. As you gain experience, keep updating your portfolio with new and improved work. Even as a freelancer, having a well-crafted resume can help you land clients, especially when applying for projects on freelance platforms. Highlight your relevant skills, experience, and any certifications you have. Tailor your resume to the type of work you want to do, and don't forget to include a brief summary that showcases your personality and work ethic. A clear, concise resume can make a strong first impression and set you apart from other freelancers. One of the toughest decisions for new freelancers is how much to charge. Research what others in your field are charging, and consider your experience, skill level, and the complexity of the work. Don't undervalue yourself, but also be realistic as a beginner. You can start with lower rates to build your reputation, then gradually increase your prices as you gain more clients and experience. Remember, your rates should reflect the value you provide. Your personal brand is how you present yourself to potential clients. It includes your style, your values, and the way you communicate. Think about what makes you unique and how you want to be perceived. Use consistent colors, fonts, and messaging across your website, social media, and portfolio. A strong personal brand helps you stand out and attract the right clients who resonate with your approach. There are many online platforms where freelancers can find work. such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Each platform has its own rules, fees, and types of projects. Take time to research which platforms are best suited to your skills and goals. Setting up a strong profile on these sites can help you get noticed by clients and start building your freelance career. Your freelance profile is your online resume. Make sure it's complete, professional, and highlights your skills and experience. Use a clear photo, write a compelling summary, and list your services. Include samples of your work and any relevant certifications. A well-crafted profile increases your chances of getting noticed and hired by clients. Landing your first client can feel challenging, but it's a crucial step. Start by applying to small projects that match your skills. Write personalized proposals that show you understand the client's needs. Don't be discouraged by rejection. Keep refining your approach and learning from feedback. As you complete your first projects, you'll gain confidence and build a track record that attracts more clients. A well-written proposal can set you apart from other freelancers. Address the client by name, summarize their needs, and explain how you can help. Be clear about your process, timeline, and rates. Attach relevant samples and keep your message concise. The goal is to show the client that you're the right person for the job and that you understand their project requirements. Strong communication is key to successful freelancing. Respond to messages promptly and professionally. Ask questions if you need clarification, and keep clients updated on your progress. Clear communication builds trust and helps prevent misunderstandings. Remember, happy clients are more likely to hire you again or refer you to others. Time management is crucial for freelancers. Without a boss to set your schedule, it's up to you to stay organized and meet deadlines. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management apps to plan your work. Set realistic goals for each day and avoid multitasking, which can reduce your efficiency. Good time management helps you deliver quality work and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Getting paid is an important part of freelancing. Decide how you'll accept payments through bank transfer, PayPal, or other platforms. Always agree on payment terms before starting a project, and consider using contracts for larger jobs. Invoicing tools can help you keep track of payments and send reminders if needed. Being professional about payments builds trust and ensures you get paid on time. Contracts protect both you and your client by clearly outlining the scope of work, deadlines, payment terms, and other important details. Even for small projects, having a simple contract can prevent misunderstandings. There are many templates available online that you can customize for your needs. Make sure both parties agree to the terms before starting any work. Your reputation as a freelancer depends on the quality of your work. Always strive to exceed client expectations by delivering on time and paying attention to detail. Double-check your work before submitting it, and be open to feedback or revisions. High-quality work leads to positive reviews, repeat business, and referrals, helping you grow your freelance career. Feedback is essential for growth. After completing a project, ask your client for feedback on your work and communication. Positive feedback can be added to your portfolio or profile, while constructive criticism helps you improve. Don't be afraid to ask for testimonials. These can boost your credibility and attract new clients. Long-term client relationships are the foundation of a successful freelance career. Communicate regularly, deliver consistent quality, and show appreciation for repeat business. Building trust and rapport can lead to ongoing projects and referrals. Remember, it's often easier to keep existing clients than to find new ones, so nurture those relationships. Networking is a powerful way to grow your freelance business. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and attend industry events. Networking can lead to collaborations, referrals, and new opportunities. Don't be shy about reaching out. Most freelancers are happy to share advice and support each other. To attract more clients, you need to market your services effectively. Use social media, create a professional website, and share your work online. Consider writing blog posts or making videos to showcase your expertise. The more visible you are, the more likely clients will find and hire you. Consistent marketing helps you build your reputation and grow your business. Not every client relationship will be smooth. If you encounter a difficult client, stay professional and try to resolve issues calmly. Set clear boundaries and communicate openly about expectations. If a situation becomes unmanageable, it's okay to end the relationship respectfully. Learning to handle challenges is part of being a successful freelancer. As you gain experience, you may find yourself juggling several projects at once. Use project management tools to keep track of deadlines and deliverables. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, and don't be afraid to say no if your plate is full. Managing multiple projects efficiently helps you maintain quality and avoid burnout. The freelance world is always evolving, so it's important to keep learning. Take online courses, read industry blogs, and stay updated on trends in your field. Expanding your skill set not only makes you more valuable to clients, but also opens up new opportunities. Set aside time each week for learning and professional development. Freelancing can be rewarding, but it also comes with challenges. Stay motivated by setting clear goals and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. Connect with other freelancers for support and inspiration. Remember why you started freelancing and keep your vision in mind during tough times. Persistence and a positive mindset are key to long-term success. One of the biggest perks of freelancing is flexibility, but it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Set boundaries for your work hours and make time for family, friends, and hobbies. Taking breaks and disconnecting from work helps you recharge and stay productive in the long run. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own taxes. Keep track of your income and expenses, and set aside money for tax payments. Consider consulting with an accountant or using tax software to make the process easier. Staying organized with your finances helps you avoid surprises at tax time and keeps your business running smoothly. It's important to protect your work as a freelancer. Use contracts to clarify ownership and usage rights. Consider watermarking your samples or using low-resolution images in your portfolio. If you're working with sensitive information, take steps to ensure client confidentiality. Protecting your work builds trust and safeguards your reputation. Organization is key to managing your freelance business. Use digital tools to keep track of projects, deadlines, and client information. Create folders for each client and back up your work regularly. Staying organized helps you deliver projects on time and reduces stress as your business grows. Setting clear, achievable goals keeps you motivated and focused. Break down big goals into smaller steps and track your progress. Whether it's landing your first client, earning a certain amount, or learning a new skill, having goals gives you direction and a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. Freelancers can sometimes feel overwhelmed, especially when juggling multiple projects. Recognize the signs of burnout, like fatigue, irritability, or loss of motivation, and take action early. Schedule regular breaks, practice self-care, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Taking care of your mental and physical health is essential for long-term success. As you gain experience, look for ways to grow your freelance business. This might mean raising your rates, offering new services, or targeting higher-paying clients. Invest in marketing and keep building your portfolio. Growth takes time, but with persistence and a strategic approach, you can achieve your goals and enjoy greater success. Rejection is a normal part of freelancing. Not every proposal will be accepted, and not every client will be a good fit. Don't take rejection personally, use it as a learning opportunity. Ask for feedback when possible, and keep improving your skills and approach. Persistence is key to overcoming setbacks and achieving long-term success. Inspiration fuels creativity and keeps your work fresh. Surround yourself with sources of inspiration, follow industry leaders, read books, watch videos, and connect with creative communities. Take time to explore new ideas and experiment with different approaches. Staying inspired helps you deliver your best work and enjoy your freelance journey. There are countless tools and apps designed to help freelancers work more efficiently. Project management software, time trackers, invoicing tools, and communication apps can all make your life easier. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for you. The right technology can save you time and help you stay organized. As you build your freelance business, consider creating passive income streams. This could include selling digital products, offering online courses, or creating templates. Passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not actively working, providing more financial stability and freedom. Once you're established, you may want to scale your freelance business. This could mean hiring subcontractors, partnering with other freelancers, or even starting your own agency. Scaling up allows you to take on bigger projects and increase your income, but it also comes with new responsibilities. Plan carefully and grow at a pace that feels right for you. Make sure your freelance business complies with local laws and regulations. Register your business if required, keep accurate records, and pay any necessary taxes. Understanding the legal side of freelancing protects you and your clients and helps you avoid problems down the road. The freelance market is always changing, with new trends, technologies, and client needs emerging all the time. Stay flexible and be willing to adapt your services as needed. Embrace change as an opportunity to learn and grow. The most successful freelancers are those who can evolve with the market. Take time to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Whether it's landing your first client, completing a challenging project, or reaching a financial milestone, acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated. Celebrate your wins and use them as fuel to keep moving forward on your freelance journey. Freelancing offers incredible opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. By understanding the basics, building your skills, and taking consistent action, you can create a successful freelance career. Remember to keep learning, stay organized, and nurture your client relationships. The journey may have its ups and downs, but with persistence and passion, you can achieve your goals. Now, it's time to take your first step and start your freelancing adventure. Every freelancer's journey is unique. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your progress, and never stop growing. The freedom and fulfillment that freelancing offers are within your reach. Stay curious, stay motivated, and remember that every expert was once a beginner. Your freelance story starts now. Make it a great one.